In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PowerPoint presentation into Microsoft Word. Embedding a PowerPoint presentation into Word is a great way to combine both your written content and your slides into one document. This is especially helpful when you're creating reports, proposals, or any other type of document where you want to include visual aids along with your text. You can embed the entire presentation or just selected slides. To get started, open your Word document and place the cursor where you want to embed the PowerPoint presentation. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Text section, you'll see an option called Object. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, select Create from File, then click Browse. This will open File Explorer, where you can navigate to your PowerPoint file. Select the PowerPoint presentation you want to embed, then click Insert. Once you've selected the file, click OK in the dialog box, and your PowerPoint presentation will be embedded into your Word document. By default, this will embed the entire presentation. By embedding PowerPoint presentations into your Word document, you can ensure that all of your important content stays together and is easy to share with others. It's a simple, efficient way to enhance your documents with multimedia. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.